Hello guys, in this video I will restore this rusty old clamp. As you can see, I start by sandblasting it. It's really difficult to film this process because I can't place the camera directly inside of the sandblasting chamber because there's way too much dust. In my opinion, it's the most satisfying part from restoring something, seeing rusty old metal getting new and shiny again. So yeah, that's why I love sandblasting, even if it takes like 1 hour to sandblast this little part. It takes so long because I don't have the best sandblasting equipment. It's not the best sandblasting chamber. Here you can see the difference between sandblasting and not. You can really tell how rusty it was before. Here I'm removing the pin of the clamp so I can take it apart for painting. This is also my first ever longer YouTube video, so I hope that you guys enjoy it. I really did filming and cutting and editing, so I think there's always something to improve as well, but for the first time I'm pretty happy. So I took it apart and taped off the spots where I didn't want the paint to go. It's what you can see here. So that's the first part finished. And now I'm taping the second part. It doesn't need to be perfect, but I think that will do the trick. And after that, I'm going to prime it with gray primer. So I stir it up. This took longer than in the video. It's sped up. And yeah, I do this little trick where you put a tape above the can and then you can wipe your tools there. So I wipe this wooden stick, but you can also wipe your brush on there, so you don't have the paint going everywhere. After that, I start applying the primer. You can see it. Just get a small layer everywhere where I want to have primer and paint later on. And that's the first thing finished. That's how it looks like. I really like it. Now going on to the second part. So there you can see it. I didn't have footage of me spray painting it because I do it outside in my garden. It's really difficult. There you can see how I spray painted the 3 parts black. Now I'm taping for spray painting the handle red. So that's what you see now. This is everything finished with black and red. I really liked it, how it turned out. So it looks really great, I think. I love it. Looks like brand new, I think. And yes, but it was really not so easy to get there. It took forever. I think it would be cheaper to buy a new one, but I also like to yeah, restore the things, the old things, which I already have lying around. So yeah, it was really nice. That's the last thing I did. It's blacking the steel with like a mixture, because like that it doesn't rust. And yeah, here you can see me applying the mixture. This was really great. There is always some shading if you do this by hand. Yeah, here you can see the finished blacked parts, and I also blacked the little pin. Yeah, and that's it. So also these tools came from my grandpa. So he had like a company, but it doesn't exist anymore. So we have all these tools lying around. And yeah, I want to use them. So now I'm just restoring them and yeah, making fun little projects of it. And yeah, it's also really time consuming, as you can guess. But I really like the results. This is how it looks like. You still have to, yeah, it's a small pin. You still have to oil it after you put on this black coating. So you put on this black mixture, then you wash it clean, and then you oil it up, and then it's ready to go. So that's what you can see here, me just putting some ordinary multi-purpose oil on it. Also, what I didn't show is that the red handle wasn't too nice after the first spray painting process, so I sanded it back down smooth and repainted it. This took also forever, but I really like it how it fits now, and yeah, it's really nice to grip this new handle. Let me also know in the comments if you like this restoration or if you have any more tips and tricks for me, because I'm just starting out. And yeah, so now we reassemble the clamp. Really fits good. It's easy to move. I put the pin back in there. Also needed the hammer. Yeah, this is nice and tight. And after that you can see it's going well again and it looks great. This is the result. Yeah. How do you like the result? I really like it. I really think it looks actually brand new. And I love to use it now. I already used it to clamp something down. So leave a like, comment, subscribe if you want. It would really mean a lot to me. Goodbye.